Today I have for you these 40 watts, well, they're 4 watt, but with a 40 watt output, LED candelabra bulbs. Now, I've got a pack of 12 here, and I currently need 2 for my chandelier light, which I will show you, but they all come nicely packed. You get 4 of these 3-packs, and then they have just this nice case to keep the bulbs safe, pops right open. And then here are the bulbs themselves. Now these come out as a soft white. They are dimmable, and you get up to 20,000 hours with these lights. So you get 12 in the pack, but let me go ahead and get this installed in my chandelier. Oh, and these are an E12 base. So that's the base right there. But let me show you these in my light. Now here is a view from below of the bulbs. But let me give you a close-up look. Here they are, emitting a beautiful white light. Look absolutely stunning. Show you down here. Really provide great light output, really a top-notch light. I absolutely love them.